Yeah. So now if you can see the next Roman, we have to expand the single logarithm into two or three different logarithms. So here in the fourth problem, we have compressed, or we have written two or three different logarithms into a single logarithm. But in this Roman, we have to expand the given logarithms. The first question is log 1000, and we know that log 1000 can be written as log 10 cube. And we know that whenever a number is having power, this power will straight away being multiplied here. So it will be 3 log 10 or log 10 plus log 10 plus log 10, because 3 times log 10 is nothing but 3 log 10, log 10 plus log 10 plus log 10, like that. Now log 128 by 625, which is equal to, so we have to do it, and it is nothing but the reverse of the formula of log m minus log n. So it is given by log m by n. So in the same way, log 128 by 625 mine is equal to log 128 minus log 625. So log 128 is nothing but 2 power 7 minus log 625 is 5 power 4. So it will become 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. That's it. See, the first step is log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. It is nothing but the reverse of the formula of log m minus log n. Now 128 can be written as 2 power 7. See, by seeing itself we have to guess the powers of 2s and 3s and 4s. And similarly 625 can be written as 5 power 4. So whenever we have a number in the power, so that number will multiply before the logarithm. That's it. Now see here, third question. Log x square y cube z power 4. We cannot send this power to this side, because to apply this formula log x to the power y is equal to y log x, there should be a single number in the log. But here, three numbers are being multiplied in the log. And whenever you see a log multiplication, you have to remember that it is a reverse of the first formula of logarithms. So log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. In the same way, log m into n can be written as log m plus log n. So that's why log x square y cube z power 4 can be written as log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. Now x square can be written as 2 log x, y cube can be written as 3 log y, and log z power 4 can be written as 4 log z. So in this way you can do fourth and fifth problems also, but let me tell and I'll give some other problems as homework. Log p square q cube by r. Now forget about this thing. Assume this as whole variable and this as one whole variable. Now when will you get log m by n? It is nothing but the reverse of the formula of log m minus log n. So log p square q cube by r is given by log p square q cube minus log r. Now again there are two numbers being multiplied inside the log. So whenever there are two numbers being inside the log, multiplied being inside the log, it can be written as log m plus log n. So it will be log p square plus log q cube minus log r. So then we can send this power to this side. It will become 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. Log root of x cube by y square. See next question. Log root of x cube by y square. Now it can be written as log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. So that means it is nothing but log x power 3 by 2 by y power 2 by 2. So nothing but log x power 3 by 2 by y. Now it is in the form of log m by n. That means log m minus log n. So it will become 3 by 2 log x minus log y. That's it. Thank you.